We are giving it shape, darling. Guys. I've come here to say, even though I'm looking straggly, I'm in my Nara Smith era, okay? I wanted a sandwich, so I made myself some bread. I don't know if that's Nara Smith. Like, if that's not Nara Smith, then babies, I don't know what is, or what ain't, or what isn't. Because, honey, tell me why. It's giving no today. My kids asked for a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So, I took some strawberries, made some jam, made the bread, bought some peanuts, crushed them, mixed it with my homemade butter. I made bread with 3 ingredients: yeast, flour, water. 4. Yeast, flour, water, and salt. Now, darlings, if this is the way to be making bread, I'm gonna be a bread connoisseur. I'm gonna be making bread. I didn't even check how long I need to do it in there. Bake for 30 minutes uncovered. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's definitely been like 4 minutes. Guys, I missed you. I haven't vlogged in about a week. There has been things going on. I literally I celebrate my birthday. For you guys who know, I'm a December baby, but I celebrate my birthday in March. And I'm gonna stick by it. Because ultimately, if you're a December baby, if you're born between December 25th and New Year's, you understand my pain. Because why is it so hard to get some people together? Tell me, speak to me, talk to me. Because why is it so hard to get people together? Every single day, every single year, it's the same stuff. Like, I'm sitting here, even the weekend, it was hard to plan. Why? Because people cancel last minute. And I feel like because my birthday is in such a time where it's very family orientated, it's very hard. You don't know until you're in it. Oui, bonjour. Look at my bread. Guys, you cannot see my bread, but it has risen. I feel like when I am a very good chef, when I chef, and when I make things very nice, this is my accent. I am French. My bread is almost done. What is up, friends? What is up? I literally just threw my wig right now. I actually washed it last night, so it's still giving wet. But yeah, so I'm working. I've been working literally since 7. This morning has been an absolute crazy day. So what happened? So I woke up at like 7. I went to the gym, and if you know me, I'm a morning gymmer. I'm not a night gymmer. I'm not a middle of the day gymmer. I'm not a mid-morning gymmer. I'm an early morning riser. I wake up, brush my teeth, jump to the gym. That's just the way I go. Or I do it in the evening after work and everything. So I woke up, went to the gym, came back, and hopped on my computer. I had literally 5 minutes until my first meeting. I had to hop in the shower because I was like, I'm sorry, but these days, I'm gonna say these days because it was yesterday and today, plural. These days I've been pushing myself really hard in the gym, okay? I'm really pushing myself because I'm really trying to be a different part. Like, I'm really trying to look like a different version of me and a better elevated version of me in the next couple months. Like, I'm not out here trying to, like people keep saying on socials, like, I'm not trying to live 2023 or live the same life for 50 odd, however old. Sorry, not for me. Sorry, call somebody else. Not my portion. Pass it along. I want this meal. Okay, I want a different meal. So that's kind of where I'm at. Yeah, so I'm really trying to push myself in different ways. I am, guys, I ordered my first parcel. My wisdom teeth are really hurt me. They're really trying me today. I got my first Kai collective order. The only thing that's hurting my whole heart is the fact that I pay customs, and I'm like, I already paid, okay? I paid for this, yeah? And then I have to pay customs on top of that. I'm sorry, if it's anything over $50 customs, robbery. So I'm trying to like hold out, so I'm like, I don't want to pay, because it's just a principle for me. Like, I already pay for shipping, I pay for the items, and now I have to pay customs on top of that. Like, if there was no shipping and then just customs, then I'd be like, okay. But all three, a triple whammy, me no love. I don't love that. Oh my gosh, I've got a meeting like right now. Yeah, so then that was that. And I'm also trying to figure out and add more pieces to my wardrobe, because as you know, we're going into the Grown and Sexy Era. Yesterday I got my nails done. Look how gorgeous this is. Gorgeous. So yeah, so I'm in my Grown and Sexy era. Like, I'm just like, if it ain't grown, it ain't mine. If it ain't sexy, it ain't mine. So you'll see my wardrobe is giving very mesh. Right now on my YouTube channel, like, the outfits I've been serving up for work really have not been eaten. You know, it just doesn't give the way that it did before, but now I'm trying to make it come back. So I'm in this weird period of my like outfit journey. Good morning, team. I'm in Shoppers. I'm purchasing things for the week, or for today, because I have a wedding to go to and I need a couple things. One, if you don't know, the other day my friend made me aware that he was like, when did you figure out you had a mustache? I was thinking, oof, my hat. So now I'm just gonna shave it or hair remove it. That's what I'm gonna do. Then I'm gonna get some hairspray because I'm gonna put my wig on, and I need to figure out what I'm doing for that. If I'm gonna hold any curls, I need this girl. I believe I'm gonna get a foot mask because I'm trying to bring out my feet. I think I'm done because I got them. I got all the things that I needed to get in under 10 seconds. I think those were the only things that I needed. Yeah. Oh, I might try and get a lip pencil, like a dark brown lip pencil. I have a black one, but I'm gonna try and do a dark brown one. So I'm looking for lip pencil. My last one, I told you, brownie pie. I lost her. I don't know what she's at. I'm gonna try and find another. Oh, I also wanted to get a setting spray. Let me see what Elf has got, because Elf is really that girl. But we'll see. I've got these two that I'm trying to figure out what one to get, and these two. I don't want this dewy coconut. I want set. I want my face to be set. Hi, how you doing? Right, so I'm back. I brought me some hairspray, like I said, because I need to hold these curls, whatever they may be. I think I need to do my hair like nowish. I got a foot mask because my feet are gonna be out, and therefore I don't need the fallback of my foot. Like, I honestly do not need it to be crusty. I need it to look good. My toes currently are in a state. I should have done them last night, to be honest, but I didn't know. I thought I might go and get a pedicure this morning, but I'm not going to. So I've got some hours. So I think I'm going to do my hair and my toes first. Then I have, listen, the facial hair removal kit, because this, when you put concealer on, right, and your skin is smooth, but your top lip is chatting to the world, you're just like, bruv, get out my face. Then finally, I bought the Elf all night microfine setting spray. I went on TikTok really quickly in Shoppers, and I was like, okay, what am I gonna get? Because there are 3 options. There was one like dewy one, didn't want that, throw that in the back, I need matte. Then there was a blue one. It was between the blue and the green. You can see my girl's in the back, she's chilling. Yeah, my wig is actually not doing very well, so prayers and thoughts to me. Alright, lovies, let's start the process. So it's currently 10:11. I have to leave at, I think, 3. So we have 5 hours to get all of this together. I was talking to everyone yesterday and they're like, oh, how long does it take to get ready? I'm thinking, honey, it takes me, it's a process. It's a whole process. I need to do this, I need to do that, I need to do this. Like, there's a lot that goes into getting ready on a day. Like, especially like when it's like an event. In this case, I'm going to a wedding. And then we go. I got this one because it looked the most simple, and I've had this one before, so I know how my skin reacts to it, you know. And this will help me have like a smooth application. Okay, so next thing on my mustache must go, because Richard, what I tell you, he's so rude. But anyways, he's really not for the faint of heart. When the hairs are ready to come out, they will straighten, they'll be flat. So then they're ready to come out. Then I take a wet Q-tip and I slide it across. Or I'll slide it in the other direction actually. Yeah, I slide it in the other direction. This direction. Wow. Yeah. And then you'll see like teeny tiny particles. I have the little post cream or post hair removal cream. I take that and then dab. I put a healthy amount on just because I don't want to react to anything. Yeah. And I'm going to let this dry for a little bit, then I'm going to continue with my skincare routine. But at the same time, whilst I wait for this to dry, I'm going to start on my toes. Because I have my hair right here. I don't know why, it's not acting the same way that it was before. So I am very befuddled. I don't even know where this came from. That's another thing with doing curls. You never know where some of the hair comes from. So you're just like, where did you even come from? Where can I even place you now? You know what? Wrap around here. Right. Okay, so my hair is set. Actually, you know what? Let's set it even further. Come on, John Frieda. Snatch her up. I'm trying to be snatched up like... bear in mind. No flame shall come to my head.
I touch that fire for you. I do that 3 but times again. I testify for you. I told that lie, you that bitch I do it. All of them around you scared to do it. I'm not. As long as you joking now here for me, I ain't got it. My bitch, give me a Louis. I
just realized I am wearing my gym shirt. The head hole. I don't know how I'm gonna get out of this. I might have to Incredible Hulk this. I don't want to ruin my hair. The thing is, it's not that deep. That Incredible Hulk it, but at the same time, it's not that deep. Like, okay. Now I'm gonna have to do it twice because I need to take this bra off. I did the least amount of damage possible. Alright, we're going into makeup time. And I think, if I am correct, I believe we're going to be doing Uche's. We're going to be following Uche's makeup tutorial today. I need something slimmer than this. This is too big. Hold on, let me see what I can do. Maybe I can go like this. It's giving Pauline. It's giving Auntie Pat. Yeah, how do I get this under? This is my look. I'm heading out now because I got to go. My sister confirmed my look. She said, Zoe, the red lips are not too much. So thumbs up to red lips. And yeah, I'm gonna head out now. So I need to get ready. I need to put my dress on and then I'm gonna dip. Bye my darlings.